Hello, today we are unboxing this compact travel router from ASUS, which is called RT-BE58 Go. This is a Wi-Fi 7 router with bandwidth of up to 3600 megabits per second, with of course multi-link operation and 4K QAM technologies. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. First we have to remove the nylon protection, and then we can see what's inside the cardboard box. Of course, there are photos of the router itself. There's a little bit of information on what this router is equipped with, and of course some technical data on the box itself. Let's open it and see how it is packed. So here we have some paperwork, CE statement, and information about login on Wi-Fi connection and local connection. And of course there's a QR code for faster login. As you can see, the router is really compact. It measures only 10 centimeters in the width, 11 in depth, and 36 millimeters of thickness. It has two external antennas. It has white LED for status. On the back we have a gigabit LAN port, 2.5 gigabit WAN port, reset button, USB Type-C power input, and also there's a USB 3.0 Type-A for connecting various devices. Here we also have a slide switch for various functions. On the bottom there's 4 rubber feet and also a mounting place for the wall. Let's see what's else in the box. Here we have an adapter, AC DC adapter, which is 24 watts. Different adapters for the wall, UK and EU. It's easy to put on and remove. And there's also a LAN cable. So this little router allows for Wi-Fi 7 connections of up to 3600 megabits per second. It also offers 4 and 5G mobile tethering. It has a public Wi-Fi mode, WISP. It allows for Guest Network Pro SSIDs for VPN, for IoT devices, for Guest Portal. It also has advanced network security and also, like we said, USB-C power delivery. So what we haven't mentioned before is that this is a dual band router with support for 2.4 and 5 gigahertz operating frequencies. It has 2 external antennas, and the CPU is a quad core with 2 gigahertz of operating frequency. So this little router provides a robust 3-layer network protection, including professional AI protection, pre-installed VPN support, and Guest Network Pro. With the Guest Network Pro, users can easily create isolated networks for VPN connections, smart home devices, or children networks. And for small businesses, the router provides customized guest portals, which provide secure and branded internet access. And this router can also be integrated into an existing home network using AI mesh technology from ASUS. It can then provide a wider coverage under a single network name in combination with any of your existing ASUS AI mesh routers. So as you can see, this is a powerful little device which can be utilized on the go when you're traveling and also at home. That's it in this unboxing video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.